Today I would like to share a birthday card I made for a friend. This card is Moroccan inspired. I went on a trip to Morocco several years ago and I just love Moroccan style. So let me tell you a little bit of why I love Morocco. There is a telenovela soap opera that came out in Telemundo network in 2001. It's a Brazilian novela. I don't know how many of you are familiar with it. It's called El Clon. I believe it's the best novela of all time. It took place in Brazil and Morocco, and it's a magical, intense love story between Lucas, a Brazilian man, and Jade, a Moroccan girl. My friend who I'm giving this card to also saw El Clon and loves the novela too. There is a remake of this novela, but of course, we love the original. So I decided to make this card for her, and I have pictures of my trip to Morocco inside. And I used this paper pad. It is called Moroccan Spice from first edition. So it's very lovely paper in here. I also used some pages from this CraftSmith Marakkech paper stack. It's also very lovely paper. They are both beautiful collections and they went very well with my theme. I also used these Recollections cardstock. This one is called Moroccan. Such beautiful colors. And I used this one called Spice Market. They complemented the paper collection perfectly. On the outside of the card, I put this lovely tile pattern paper. So I used these glitter Recollections alphas to spell happy birthday. The base cardstock is from the Recollections Spice Market cardstock. So this opens like this. And this is a picture of the city of Fez. This picture is from a Berber village, and I love the pottery outside. And then it opens this way. This picture is from outside the Royal Palace. This is the golden door. And this paper around it is from the Marakkech paper stack, and it goes perfectly with the door. It's the same pattern. On this side, there's a picture from the tannery pits in Fez where they dye leather. And if you look for the Gatsby collection from the colorways papers from the paper house, they also have this pattern of the door in a larger scale. It closes back like this. In the back I have a tag, and this is where I will write her a message. So I just made a slit here and I just inserted the tag like this. So these are pictures that I put in the card to decorate it with Moroccan scenes. Along with the card, I will give her this Moroccan carpet style purse. It is so pretty. It has gold thread with blue. I will also give her these two CDs that are the soundtrack of the novela. This is Rede and Lucas. The novela was dubbed in Spanish, and these are the songs. This is Rede, and these are the songs inside. The CD is called Maktub. Estaba escrito, it was written, and these songs are beautiful. It's Brazilian and Arabic inspired. The desert. I was so inspired when I was making the card that looking at all my pictures, I decided to make a flip book for myself. This flip book measures 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. I put this gold trim on the outside, and it shimmies like this. It has a closure with a magnet on the back with this beautiful purple and gold ribbon, and it opens like this. This is the outside of the Royal Palace. This is the Fez city view. Here is the door again. And this tile is the tile here next to the door. This paper is from the Marakkech paper pad, as well as this one that you saw. So it opens up. And this is a mosque. It's another beautiful picture here. This paper is from the Marakkech pad also. It opens down. So we have the Berber village picture here. Then it opens this way. These are some amazing color plates and candles and cups. And this is the roof of a place we went to. Such intricate tile again. This is a view from the city. And then flipping this. This is a belly dancer. And this paper on the background has like gems on it. And this is a house in Fez in La Medina. It's just beautiful. And I open once more. And here's a picture of the spice market. Lots of spices. And this is a place that we went to that sells teapots. In the center I put this beautiful ribbon again as the border with purple and gold. And in the center I put a cut apart that is from the Marakkech paper stack. So now we close it back. So this is my flip book from my trip to Morocco. I love it, and I love having gone to Morocco as well. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.